face me.
You're dinosaur.
I am happy blood clot
like
sword.
Puss collection and monkey love bomb, girl.
Yeah. Donald.
You come like you come like Coral and a 101 doll blood clot nation.
Dude, when you was alive, you never had a blood clot. You don't know your blood clot rape number. I teeth your teeth for pussy all the while. 7 pick me, you give me a run, go and let me good gummy be a blood clot. Look at you with the black stiff hood in my hole at night time. I ram out my hole. At night time, I fuck to see him like a back wheel shot. Why you do it, John Crow? I said you left, you're mad, you want mad, see me mad now. Me mad now to blood clot. Look at me now, dirty gula. Me mad. Crazy motherfucker.
Message to any blood clot body, to them and those that I don't speak and them don't speak to me. I blood clot care zero. The only person when I speak to me, I talk, I'm gonna see it coming on my blood clot and I'm money. If I not see that, I get nervous. So again, to them and those that I don't speak and them don't speak to me, kiss my blood clot, Ross.
Everything in the community last night had to close because of the mosquito invasion.
If you want us to synchronize swimming or dancing, ask the mosquito synchronize dancing. In the sky, come up and go down and dance and come around and go back on. Whole group of them. Me not ask nobody that.
I'm calling on the health department to take immediately the action of spraying.
Like when you block somebody from Facebook, right? And like you see them out in the streets, them can't see you? Like how you block them from Facebook?
Well, no. If you block them on Facebook, they cannot see you in the street. They cannot see you. You just, because you're still blocking up. You understand me? Say and if a night even worse, they can't see you because block.
Jesus, come on, girl. One more for the road. One more. Nothing for me.
She's a wicked girl. Hey, don't drop it there, road, you know. Hey, don't drop it there.
Like every day this boy come get up and tell me say him need to see new people. This is Monica. This is Keisha. Marth James. Patrick. You want more?
You see, I can't read good. I need to load up here and make a girl there, you know. Because I deal with some white girl, you know, all different type of girls. And the girl, them are upgrade girl, them top class girl. And I don't get street wise and smart, so I can't make them know say I can't read. Because then we pray me more donkey and dung. And look for me more dung. But I know say me up. So I tell you now, if I want to text them, I talk to you.
The curfew are foolish. Because people out here at daytime and you will leave at night time. So Karina no walk a day. At daytime, everybody bungle up. It's a mess in a town. And at night time, we leave the road. Why? Why we leave at night? Karina no walk at night. And that we want to find out.